All right, some breaking news coming in of a mid-air ruckus on board a SpiceJet flight. This was a flight from Delhi to Mumbai where two unruly passengers actually were offloaded later. There was chaos on this flight as the two passengers even tried to enter the cockpit and refused to comply with the orders, I'm assuming, were given by the crew there. However, these unruly passengers creating a ruckus on board a flight. This was the Delhi to Mumbai flight. So much so that the pilot actually decided to return to the city from where they took off. Let's go across to Tanushka for more. Tanushka, give us details. What happened on board this flight?
Right. So what we are understanding from SpiceJet at this point is that these two passengers tried to enter the cockpit, which is why, there chaos ensued within the flight itself. And these two passengers were, continuously refusing to comply. So SpiceJet then, maintains that keeping in mind the safety of all the other passengers on board and as a priority that the pilot decided to return to terminal. Imagine this is happening, inside a flight that is already taxiing and is ready to fly, but the pilot decides to return to the terminal because passengers have gotten unruly and there's sort of a disagreement or a fight that has broken out between the two of them, and these two disruptive passengers after that were offloaded. So basically the aircraft had to do a U-turn, come back to the terminal so that these two passengers could be, off-boarded the flight because they were refusing to comply. They were trying to enter the cockpit. Now, we do not know as to why, what was their intention, what were they trying to do exactly. But this is what happened on this Delhi to Mumbai SpiceJet flight.
All right, Tanushka, thanks so much for joining us with, the sketchy details that we know so far, but quite shocking that it's so disruptive that the pilot decides to return and offload the passengers.